So when we were back at the UMC 400, that was a great question about, hey, what size parts can I make on a UMC 400? UMCs, again, are mostly for cube work envelopes, square work envelopes. What we have here is our new VR-5 that we brought. And probably if you come down to this end, Sam, let me get you to slide out of the way. This is our 5-axis head on a VF5 platform. Yeah, I thought we'd be able to see a little well in there. So this is our medium frame machine, but with a full dual axis articulating head in place of the standard spindle. So this is a BT30 tool changer, up to 24,000 RPM. And questions getting asked here is, hey, what type of work envelope do I have here? Think long rectangular parts, because now you have this long X travel, and as you can see from this part here, you can actually get work at both ends. That's one thing you can't get with a UMC, is long skinny parts where you can work all 5 sides of that machine. How much longer do we have in the cycle time?
Cycle time?
Yeah, how much longer do we have here?
20.
How much longer do we have?
Longer?
Yeah. Here's an example of that part. Just hold that.
Awesome.